Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of action cameras with the GoPro Hero12 Black e-commerce package. Whether you're a content creator, outdoor adventurer, or just someone who wants insanely smooth footage, this camera is made for you. Let's start with the headline feature: 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video. That's 91% more resolution than 4K and an insane level of detail, especially when you slow it down for cinematic shots. Whether you're mountain biking, skydiving, or vlogging your daily life, everything looks razor sharp and fluid. Next up, 27MP still photos. You're not just shooting video, you're capturing high-res, frame-worthy photos. And with built-in HDR high dynamic range, you get better contrast, sharper details, and more realistic lighting in every shot, even in tricky conditions like harsh sunlight or low light. The 1.9 image sensor is a big upgrade. It delivers superior image quality, wider field of view, and better performance in low light. It's a noticeable step up from older action cams, and you'll see the difference immediately in clarity and dynamic range. GoPro continues to lead in stabilization, and the Hero12 takes it even further with HyperSmooth 6.0. Whether you're running, surfing, skiing, or on the go in bumpy terrain, your footage stays silky smooth, no gimbal required. For creators and live streamers, this camera doubles as a webcam and supports live streaming, so you can bring professional quality video to your Zoom calls, YouTube streams, or Twitch broadcasts. And yes, it's all plug and play with the GoPro Quick app. Of course, it's waterproof down to 33 feet 10 meters without a housing, making it the perfect companion for underwater adventures, rainy hikes, or just capturing the moment, worry-free. The e-commerce package also includes essential accessories to get you going right out of the box. Mounts, cables, and everything you need to start filming day one, no extra purchases required. To sum it up, the GoPro Hero12 Black is more than an action camera. It's a powerhouse for capturing your life, your travels, your sports, or your stories, all in jaw-dropping clarity and ultra-smooth motion. Check out the link in the description to grab yours and see what the hype's all about. And if you like this breakdown, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications only here on Gadgetverse, where smart tech meets real-world use. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.